Another way to network with attendees is to participate in chat lounges. These informal chats will connect you with like-minded peers on a series of 17 designated topics. Chat lounges are designed for multiple groups, including pilots, schedulers and dispatchers, YoPros, small operators, and more. Chat lounges have preset, moderated, and guided conversational topics, and we invite you to join in by either posting your own message or question or replying to someone else's message or question. To make it easy to check back in on the conversation, add the chat lounge to your virtual backpack. In addition, some chat lounges will also incorporate coffee chats. These scheduled meetups happening in real time will provide the opportunity to dive deeper into specific topics via group chat or video. Find more information on the date, time, and how to join the coffee chats within each chat lounge. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that VBACE is more than just a 2-day event. The VBACE platform and your virtual backpack will be open until December 31st. We encourage you to check in periodically and continue your conversations.